Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Abdullah channel. So today in our channel we are going to see how we can apply for monetization. First we have to sign in to our account in YouTube, and after signing in the rightmost corner you can see your logo. Click into your logo and go to the YouTube studio. After going into the YouTube studio, in the leftmost corner we can find the monetization symbol, and when we go inside you can see apply now. That is after reaching 1000 subscribers and 4000 watchers you will get apply now, and the first step will be in start. That is, a blue sign will be there for the first step. After going into the apply now you will be getting these 3 steps which you have to go. So most of them forget this step, because after accepting 1000 hours like 1000 subscribers and 4000 watchers, they don't remember to do the steps. So the first important thing is we have to go into apply now, and after that we have to follow the 3 steps and get verified. So the first step is actually review YouTube partner program terms. So first read the all terms and condition mentioned and give accept. That is what is the first step, which is very simple. And most importantly, before applying we have to check whether you have any copyright issue, whether your videos are blocked by copyright issues and all, since YouTube will be going through your page before they accept you into the partner program. And do not have any copied videos, anything like that, so that they'll reject it. So we have to keep in mind all these stuffs. Reused videos and all should not be there in our account. So very importantly, check about the copyright issues, and mostly people tell that external views will not be counted, but don't worry, external sources will be counted. You don't have to worry in the traffic that external sources will be counted or not. No, not at all worry, 100% external sources will be counted. So now you can give, after reading the full terms and condition, you can see in the bottom most corner there will be a small box where you have to give tick mark and saying that I accept YouTube partner program terms. Once you give tick mark, you can see the accept terms will turn into blue and you can give accept terms. And once you give accept terms and accept it, you can see within 1 to 2 seconds your first step will become done. Now it is not started, right? It will change into done. A green signal will come over there. See, you can see your channel is done, and after that step 2 you can start it right now. And first thing it's asking is whether you're having an account or not. So I'm clicking no, I don't have an existing account, that is AdSense account, which is very important step. So after clicking it, you can see whichever YouTube channel you have, the same email ID you have to choose. Once you choose your email ID, they will give the URL link of your YouTube channel. If it is not specifically mentioned there, please do copy and paste it over there. And then next they're asking whether you need any email from them for customized help. If you want, you can say yes. If you don't want to receive any email, you can say no. And then the next option is select your country or territory. So select wherever you're staying right now at present, because wherever your account number is, that is very important. So since present I'm staying in UAE, I'm pressing UAE. And since you want to read the terms and conditions properly, you have to give some other country and then read it, because now it's coming in Arabic which you're not able to read. So I'm changing it to United States and reading the terms and condition mentioned below. So one important thing is, most of the people, they'll be thinking we have to create an AdSense account outside and then come and give yes I have an existing account. It's not necessary, because they have given you a very very simple option. If you don't have an account, don't worry about it, give I don't have existing account, and automatically in the second step itself you can go and create your account. They will automatically link you and put you into the option where you can create it. So you don't have to worry or make tension or anything. Just go simply and give no, I don't have an existing account, and you can create one. See, now I am giving yes, I have read the agreement, and I'm clicking into yes. Now you have to click get started. Now it will be asking you some details. This is the AdSense Google page which is asking you details, whether your account is individual or business type. So give whatever type your account is, and they'll be asking you some address and phone number. So mention your address, the name of your account, and then the mobile number which you are using, so that they'll give an OTP number and verification will be sent for you. So you have to give all those details, and end of it give submit. When you give submit, it will say redirecting you to your host. So you don't have to worry when they are saying redirecting, that your account won't get and all. It's nothing like that. It takes time for Google AdSense to set up your account. So they'll check all the details, like your YouTube page, your email ID is correct or not, and then they will set up your page. So it takes almost half a day or more than that. So wait until that process is over. When the process is over, automatically you will receive an email from them. So the third step will automatically start by itself when the second step is over, and that is what is called reviewing your channel. The third step is reviewing, and it takes almost 2 weeks for sometimes, and for less than 2 weeks, or it takes 3 to 4 days. For me it took 2 days exactly. 2 to 3 days it took for me. I got monetized at 5th. So I'll show you my email right now. After my Google AdSense account was ready, I have received a mail. You can see Google payment, and Google AdSense sent me a mail where they said that your account is set up and the second process is started. And when I went into my monetization page and I saw turn done, and the third process will automatically get started. So in this, it is showing the second step is in progress, so it will automatically come as done after the mail, and then the third process will start in progressing. So you don't have to worry about it. And after the third process, it might take almost 2 weeks. For so many people, it takes within 2 weeks it will be received. So you don't have to worry. Maybe within 2-3 days also you will receive, since I received it within 3 days. So please do check it and send before applying, so that you all will get monetized. Let's all join together and get monetized together. Hope so this video is very useful for you, and if it was useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. I'll be sharing more videos in detail about YouTube, so that every one of us will get monetized. Not only me, I want all the YouTubers, small YouTubers, to grow together. So let's all join hands together and help each other. Thank you for watching.